Hey y'all, I just want to show you how to get one of these fence posts out of the ground. What we're going to need is a block of wood with some screws. I have 6 screws in this 2x4. You need a drill and you need a high lift jack. Okay, so what we're going to do on the side of this fence post, we're just going to attach the 2x4. Alright, we got that screwed in. Now we're going to get a high lift jack. We're going to put it up underneath the 2x4 like that. Okay? And then we're just going to jack it up. Now this is just a landscaping timber, but it also works with 4x4s. And my dad actually gave me this idea. He used it on a 6x6 post, and it worked well. There we go. So the concrete was a lot deeper than it looked. So trying to pull that out by hand, it was more than I was bargaining for. Oh, look out, pal. Alright. There we go. So that pulled it out, concrete and all. So I'll just have to bust that concrete out, but got it out of the ground. We'll have to level that out, but other than that, we're good. So one problem I just came across with the method I just showed you was this bad boy's in there pretty good, and all my screws, I had 6 screws and they were starting to bend. I put 5 more screws in and they just all bent and ripped out of the wood. So a method I'm going to try now is I have this chain. It's about 5 foot long, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try kind of like a timber style hitch, which is essentially I'm just going to take the chain and wrap it around itself several times, and I'm going to do that all the way on both sides, all the way to the back. And then from there, what I'm going to try to do is get the jack underneath this part and lift up, see if it'll cinch down enough to be able to lift this post out of the ground. Hopefully without breaking the chain. I think chains are designed more to take pulling force rather than all this twisting, but it'll be worth a shot. Okay. Another problem you saw in that last portion is my jack was sinking into the ground, so I just put this little block here to hopefully prevent that from happening. Okay, let's give this a shot. Jack seems to be slipping down rather than the post actually moving. And the wood block is breaking too. Okay, I'm going to readjust everything, move the jack in close again, and try it again. Alright, got it readjusted yet again. Finally seems like we might be starting to make some good progress. Just going to take it nice and slow. Be interesting to see how much concrete is stuck under this post. Not doing much now. All right. Well, might have used too much concrete on that one, but she was sturdy.